welcome back to my channel, FunsizedStyle, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Michaela, and thanks for stopping by. So for today's video, I have one of my favorite videos of all time I have filmed for you gals, and that is my makeup tutorial based on the theme of a Sweet Sparkle beauty box. So as you gals know, I subscribed to Sweet Sparkle beauty box for a whole entire year this year, and this is actually the January box, but I subscribed on the last day of the month, so that's why it didn't come until a few weeks ago. So I should have subscribed earlier, but you know, at least you guys still get these videos. So this month's theme was Color Me Rosy, and the idea of the theme is a little bit different than you would imagine. So it's very glowy. You would think like more mauve-y, like rosy, but actually this is the look that it's based off of, which says Color Me Rosy, and you can see the blush is very accentuated, so I did more blush than I normally do, and like I said, it's just a very glowy, natural look, so I think I did really well compared to this original look. I say this every month, but I just love Sweet Sparkle because it helps you put an entire look together. It makes you try new products that you never would have before, or new techniques to make this look turn out. And I actually used some new kinds of products that I've never used before, and also some new techniques that I learned, or that I just came up with at a whim when I was trying to create this using a beauty sponge. So I did a little bit of a different technique with my lipstick and my blush and my highlights. So definitely keep watching if you'd like to find out how to create this look. And if you'd like more information on Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, I'll have every link down below that you would need to find that information. This video is not sponsored by Sweet Sparkle, and I purchased the subscription on my own. So without further ado, if you want to see how I created this Color Me Rosy makeup tutorial for this month's theme of Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, or should I say January's theme, then just keep watching. I hope this isn't too up close and personal for you gals. I figured it would be easier for you to see what I'm doing and how the application process looks and things like that. But you gals know the drill for my makeup tutorials. I did my foundation, my primer, and my powder. I actually switched up my powder. I had a sample of, it's like a very tiny sample, so it's only like a 1 or 2 time use, but it's the e.l.f. Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. Oh my gosh, best makeup product pretty much that I've ever tried, other than my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. That powder just makes my skin look so airbrushed, and I already did my foundation, primer, and setting powder, so I still need to create some kind of intro for that, or like overlay, so I don't know what I want it to look like yet. So, but I think next what I'm going to do, and of course I will let you guys know when I use a product that was featured in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. But I think I'm going to start with my eyeshadow primer so I can let that set, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. eyelid primer, and in the shade Sheer. I actually received this in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box that I just did, the Pretty and Punk one, which was actually from a few months ago. But I said in the video that I wasn't sure about this primer, but I actually really like it, so let's apply this. I wish I had a setup where my product or my camera could be like more like directly in front of my table, so you guys could get like a full-on So I'm going to let that set, and next I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. Indecisive about which brow product I wanted to use. I was thinking either the Benefit Gimme Brow or the it Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. I love this thing. But anyways, I'm leaning more towards this because it has the little buoy to brush out my brows. And I could just use that and then use the Gimme Brow, but for like this Color Me Rosy, I'm thinking of like more of like a natural glowy look, and like this still gives me like pretty natural brows, but not as natural as this. So I'm gonna use brows just do not look good. Like, this one is so much thinner than this one. So, I don't know, my brows just have a mind of their own today. I desperately need to get them waxed, but I've had like a zero time. If you guys only knew like how crazy my schedule has been lately. Next, I'm going to bronze with this, oh, it's upside down, with this Mary Kay bronzing powder, and it's in the shade light medium. I've really been into this bronzer lately. Not sure why. You guys know I'm a diehard The Balm Bahama Mama fan, but I've just really been into this bronzer lately. What I really like about this Color Me Rosy theme is it's very like natural and glowy, so there's not going to be like a ton of products or like a ton of different layers of products. So I really like I said, natural and glowy look, so I was super excited to create this for you guys. So far it looks like nothing special yet, but we're getting there. Now I'm going to go in with this chubby eyeshadow pencil, and I've never used a product like this. It's by the brand, I don't even know how to say this, Sorme Treatment Cosmetics Beverly Hills. I shouldn't say I never use one, I rarely use them, but I would say for like a chubby eyeshadow pencil, this is very like pointy on the end. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm actually not going to, from the card you can see that she only did one, like only this for eyeshadow. So I don't think I'm going to do any other eyeshadow color either, because I really like just the natural like glowiness of it. So this is only going to be like a one layer kind of thing, and I'm not going to use any other eyeshadow. I do not like this product. I don't like how it applies. I thought you just put a little bit on and then you blend it, but you basically have to like color it on. That's so weird. Doesn't it look so good, guys? Not. Okay, so I'm going to take this beauty sponge and try to like blend it out or something. And now I see why I don't work with it. Or at least this one. Oh, it just comes right off. Well, that's a fail. It just came right off. So, I guess I am just going to have to color it on. The product just isn't working and it doesn't look right. So, I'm actually going to take this Manicadar Glow Illuminator and I am going to put this as highlight, but I'm also going to try and create the same effect using this liquid product on my eyes. I don't know if this is a safe idea, so don't try this at home. 3 dots where I would normally highlight. But that looks so good. I'm usually not a liquid highlight fan, but that looks so good. So I'm going to try a little bit on my eye. Like, I repeat, don't try this. And do not try this. Kind of gives that rosy effect. I think it's better than the chubby eyeshadow pencil. This is a really good product. This is expensive too. The Manicadar is $29. And I wouldn't pay $29 for it because I have other highlights I like. But this is really, really good. I really didn't think I would like this product, but I really do. And the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is only $21 and this is $29. And then the liquid lipstick that I'm going to use is $21 also. So like there's some really high value products in here. So I'm going to go back with the Mary Kay bronzer because, like I said, it was my first time working with liquid and it took away a little bit of the bronze. So I'm going to take a little bit more and just kind of not go over all my highlight, obviously. You guys know I like a little bit of highlight on my nose, and I forgot. So I'm going to take my beauty sponge, take a little bit dot, and put a little bit, honestly just that much, and put a little bit on the end of my nose. I really like this look. I wish my face didn't look so red, but I know it's not red, so that's all that matters, I guess. But so now I'm going to do blush. I'm going to take a break from the eyes. I know the eyes look terrible and they don't look like anything yet, but they're not done. So next I'm going to take this Starlock Cream Blush in Abstract. I absolutely despise cream blush, but I told you guys I always use the products in here, excluding eyeliner, just because I don't like it. Because I figured out the reason why I don't like eyeliner is because my eyelids are so small, it takes away the effect of the eyeshadow too. Like, not only is it difficult for me to apply, but it just takes away the effect of the eyeshadow. And I love eyeshadow, so I really want people to see that. But instead of just putting some on my cheek and then trying to blend it, because I don't like it that way, because it just, that I end up putting too much, I'm going to take this and gonna dab some on my brush and then put it on. So hopefully that concept works. It looks like it's working, but yeah, wow, it's really pigmented. So you definitely need to do this with a beauty sponge. So it doesn't blend well with a brush, so I'm gonna put a little bit more on a beauty sponge. Now it's finally looking like a Color Me Rosy tutorial. I don't know, I just think that's like a perfect blush color that they were going for. So I really like this. I know it's a little bit more blush than I normally wear, but it's a Color Me Rosy tutorial, so the blush is very, like, accentuated. Is that the right word? I give myself kudos because that was an amazing idea to put this on a sponge, and always, like, don't do it on the side though, because then you'll have this funny indent. Always do it on the bottom and then blend it. That look is so good. It makes it look so natural, because for me with cream blush, it's hard for me to control because I like a nice light blush look, and I wouldn't even know like where to put this, or like obviously on my cheeks, but like how much or whatever. So this helps me really control. So if you want to try to work with cream blush, definitely try this technique. I honestly can't believe I came up with this idea. Maybe some other beauty gurus already know this technique. I've never heard of anybody talk about it, but I've always been so afraid of cream blush for that reason. But you can tell, like, it's not scary, like it looks really good. So I really like this product, and this product is only $5.50, so I had no idea that it was so affordable and was full size. What do I want to do now? I guess I'll go in with lips now, and then we'll go back and finish the eyes. So for the lip color, I'm going to be using a P.O Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Nude. The color is pretty, but it really, like, if you have dry lips like me, it makes them look cracked and dry. Luckily you can't really tell on the camera, but I'm actually, another tip, I'm going to take this beauty blender because, I shouldn't say I don't like it, I love the color, but I actually really love the color. But it comes out like a lot, like on the applicator, more than normal of a liquid lipstick. So I'm going to take this beauty blender again, get some of the excess off without really like taking it off. This looks so weird. I never usually work with beauty sponges this much. Down here on the bottom is the blush, and then on the sides is the liquid lipstick. Like, look how much excess I had on my lips. Like, it came out so much. So you definitely get a lot for your money on this one. And again, this one alone is $21, and the box is only $21, so it pays for itself. But I don't know if I want to do anything more for the eyes. I'm not gonna do any more with the chubby eyeshadow stick. I just don't like it. I'm gonna try something a little unconventional, but what else is new with me? I'm gonna get a highlighter and kind of do something a little unconventional. This is one of my favorite looks. Oh my gosh, I just love Sweet Sparkle because it makes me try new looks. And these beauty blender techniques, like now my lips don't look dry and cracked because I took the excess off. instead of taking like all of it off and then reapplying. I need to purchase more beauty sponges. I don't think it's very sanitary. Even if you clean them, I don't know. I just feel like a lot of stuff builds inside. So anyways, I'm getting off track. Let me get that highlighter. To kind of recreate the look of like the glowiness of the eyes, I'm going to take this e.l.f. Cosmetics highlighter. I love this highlighter. As you can tell, it's been pretty well loved. I haven't quite hit pan on it yet, but this is the Nikki Tutorials collaboration with e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I love this highlighter. So I'm going to take the lightest shade, and I'm going to put that on my lid. But like, look how pigmented, and it creates like the exact same effect as that chubby eyeshadow stick, but so much better. This is like one of my favorite looks that I've ever created. I feel like I say this all the time, but I just love Sweet Sparkle because it makes me try new products, but like it puts a whole look together, because I think whether you do YouTube or not and you're like a makeup lover, I think we all tend to go for like the same look all the time. This box helps you try different products. I would have never went out and bought a liquid highlighter, but I actually really like it. Usually my eyeshadow isn't the main issue in a tutorial, but we were on the struggle bus with the eyeshadow today. So I hope it's okay, but sometimes you just gotta say that's the best I can do. I never do mascara last, but I was just so into everything else and trying all the different products that I forgot to do mascara. So I'm gonna take my Essence Lash Princess Mascara. And I think I forgot to mention, but the cream blush was in my box, and then this was as well, and then the Glow Illuminator by Mana Kadar, and then the Chubby Stick. So those were all included in my box. But of course then the gel liner, which you guys know I don't use. And this is the completed look. It's very glowy and sparkly and rosy. Alright, so that is the completed look for Color Me Rosy. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and how it came out. As you can see, we had a couple technical difficulties. Would not recommend that chubby stick for anything, and actually it was quite expensive, but obviously it was included in the box and it's only $21 a month. But the chubby stick was $17. So I don't know if I was doing something wrong, but I couldn't come up with any other way to use it. Like, I just did it the way that you would use a chubby stick for eyeshadow. So I don't know, but as you can see, I made it work and I created the same effect using a different product. But other than that, I used every single product that was in this box except for the eyeliner, and then I did use the chubby stick for my inner corner. So I did utilize every product except for the gel liner despite the technical difficulties. So let me know if you liked this look and how you guys are continuing to like the makeup tutorials based on my Sweet Sparkle beauty box. I love it because you guys get to see me try new looks every month, and I love it because I get to try new looks every month. So anyways, I guess that's it for now, and I love you guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.